snap together. Now, what you can do is you can actually, oh wait, not delete, that's not what I'm looking for. If you go over to remove doubles, shortcut for that, you can reach that by pressing W to get like a special menu and press the remove double. And all that does is it'll take vertices, any two things that are occupying the same space, it'll sort of remove the duplicate, sort of. So it'll be one thing. You can also use Alt-M to weld it. Whichever you like, whichever you prefer. It might be like a situational thing. Removing doubles might be more convenient in certain circumstances, and the other option might be more convenient in other circumstances. So it really depends. Alt-M, merge, and I need some edge loops here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl-R, and that gives me my edge loop tool. Now when I spin my mouse wheel, it'll allow me to change how many edges I want to add. So I want 2 edges here, so I'll click here to add 2 edges, and I'll merge these guys together. So the face is slowly coming together. It's still kind of like awkward and weird and boxy, but it's slowly coming together, very slowly. Don't worry if it like looks really weird right now, because eventually what I'm gonna end up doing is I'll be taking all these polygons and I'll be like using smooth and the proportional editing and like moving these polygons around until it looks like way better. So it looks like weird and garbagey right now, but this is only the beginning. It gets better, don't worry. Don't worry, be happy. 5 pointing here, switch to edges, select that edge, delete. Oops. Five pointing here, switch to edges, delete. Vertices. Oh, I need to turn off the snap toggle. That's why it's acting so weird. Press F to fill. Let me see if I can create some dips in this lip. And this is like underneath the lip. I'm gonna create one more extrusion here, so it'll connect with the rest of my facey thingy. Scale. I might like pause this video for a second, just to try and figure out why these scale tools don't seem to be. Oh, they work over here. They don't want to work for the other thing. That's peculiar. I get that. Change it to 3D cursor, scale. I don't understand why it's not working in the viewport. It's really strange. It's very, very strange. It's actually kind of neat what you can do with this thing, because if you hold down the control button, or is it the shift button, and you press all 3, then it gives you like an all-in-one transformation tool. You can like move things, right? And you can like rotate things, and you can like scale things. That's like really neat. I love that. All in one. It's an omni tool. That's what it is. Oh yeah, forgot. Got to turn off the 3D cursor pivot point thing. Otherwise it'll do that. Now these pivot points are going to come down to the chin area. What time is it? 9:28. Interesting. Need some more edges, so add like 2 more over here. Fill that. Fill that. I'll probably move some of these guys apart. Fill those guys, cut these guys apart. Now you press the K button in order to get the cut tool. It still looks weird, I'll be the first to admit. It usually does it first. But it's coming together, it's coming along. You just gotta be patient, you just gotta work on it until it looks sick. I think that's like the key to art, patience. You gotta be like really patient with stuff. It usually takes a while to like learn it. And even when you learn something, it takes a while to like be able to develop really good work. I'm gonna go over to W, specials menu, smooth. Oops. Smooth. W, specials menu, smooth. Try and relax some of these vertices. Looks like I can use WO. WO. It's not quite coming together the way I initially planned it would, but that's okay. I can like accommodate for that, because what I wanted to do was I wanted to get like an edge loop, like this thing here. I wanted to get that in over here. I guess I still have a ways to go in terms of like skill, but well, this should be like suitable to like develop a solid idea of how to go about doing things. So what I'm gonna do is, I guess I'll pan this guy back a bit. In a bit. Don't need him so far out right now. Then I'll select these guys and go fill. Select these guys, fill. I'm gonna extrude this over to here and merge these together. You can see it's like slowly coming together. Very slowly but surely indeed. Oh, pressing the control button. I don't think I really need like another edge loop here, but I guess I'll like add another one here just to like try and keep things in sync with each other. Now with all that stuff selected, I'll select this outer edge here and I'll hit the extrude button. And scale it. If you press the S button to scale and press X, Y, or Z, it scales by those specific axes. So I'm gonna scale it up by what is this? Z? Just a wee bit for the chin. And press S for scale and X for well, the X way. I'm gonna set it to 3D cursor so I don't end up breaking half of my thing. I keep pressing X before I press S, so I'm getting like a bit of a glitch over there. The X button and the delete button are same. They do the same thing. I don't understand why they've got like delete for X. Like, why X for delete? Who uses X to delete stuff? That seems kind of strange to me. But you know, whichever. And this will act as my edge ring type thing that I demonstrated before. And as I planned out before, as I anticipated, I've got an X over here, an edge, a vertex with 5 points extruding from it over here, as I anticipated I would, as I do over here, as I do over here, as I do over here. And as I stated before, things like that help reduce like things like trigons and stuff like that. Oh, my ear hurts. Delete that edge, switch over to vertex, There's another 5 star.